update on the garden. You can see cantaloupe vines are crazy all the way out to the sidewalk. Super healthy. Just pruned them back about a week ago, and look what we got here. Nice healthy cantaloupe on its way. Got about 3 going right now. Still a lot of flowers that just got pollinated. You can see the bees and the flies here helping out. There's like super crazy amount of bees over here. Guess they're attracted to these bright yellow flowers, but another one doing pretty well. See a small one here. I don't think that one's gonna make it. Looks sick. But yeah, there's a few of them. It's like a yellowish colored one back there. Strawberry season is over. It's not producing anymore. I just got the last 2 off of there and I ate them today. Oh yeah, here's another cantaloupe vine that I started super late back here. Oops. That rose bush that I rescued was just a stem basically sitting on the ground that my neighbor had dug out, that I put in soil and brought it back to life. It's looking okay. Pineapple, tiny little sugar baby icebox, whatever, watermelon. About the size of, like one of those tiny nectarine or plum or something like that, about that size. But that one's growing pretty quick. Just added cow manure about a week ago, and that's when the melons really started to explode. My pathetic sunflowers over here, these are the ones that are pretty much stuck in the shade all the time, but they've gotten a little bigger. But this one on the end gets the most sun, so it's doing the best. So that guy's looking good. And I just stuck a, I'm not sure which pepper this is. My neighbor, I believe, is from Thailand, and she gave me a bunch of these. So I got those separated. They're all like in one pot. I separated them and then potted them all and planted that one in the ground. And we got the monster sunflower. Look at the size of this guy now. This thing is definitely taller than me. It's about 6'4", I think. I'm about 6'1". So, yeah. This thing's huge and it still has new growth coming in. No head on it yet though, but we'll see. But that's like the prize of the garden right there. I think is monstrous. We got the rosemary. That was raised indoors over the winter time. That's looking good. And hidden behind that, we have these beautiful, I want to say these are Anaheim chilies. They're not super, they're hot, but they're not super hot. They're not like habaneros or anything like those peppers or anything, but they're hot, definitely hot. Dill is very healthy. That's flowering right now, and it's big. It's a good like 3 feet tall. I just learned that these raspberries are not going to produce this year. Can't remember what I think they're called trifloro something. Well, they're called canes. Like this portion of it is called a cane. And the first year you plant raspberries, they don't fruit or flower. So they have to survive over winter time, and they have to like winterize them, wrap them up in burlap, that kind of thing. And next year they'll produce, they're supposed to flower and produce fruit. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. They look really healthy though. Again, strawberry season is over. Oh, yeah, dang, I didn't even look at this one in a while. Another one of those peppers. 2 of them right here, actually. That I put in the ground just to see how they would do, and they're doing great. We got the English thyme. We got oregano, which is looking, it's not getting the best, doesn't have much room around it. But it's healthy. And then we got the Mexican tarragon. It's not getting a lot of sun right now. Looks like it's starting to die possibly. Oh no, that's just buds for flowers. Crepe myrtle is already flowering. Just planted that this year. First buds on that. So that's hopefully gonna make it through winter as well. Another decent sized sunflower back here. This huge, super healthy basil. That's still doing good. Just bad flies out here. And then we got the smaller, different species of basil. I'm not sure what the difference between these two is. I know one is a sweet basil. I'm not sure what's different about, I believe it was this one. But the leaves are definitely different if you look at them. Then we got the two purple basils. Those are probably starting to get bitter by now. I haven't even actually used any of that yet. I should probably go ahead and strip those down and make some pesto and freeze it. But yeah, everything's looking good. Then I got these little, we got a couple aloe veras, the two pineapples that I'm just kind of getting started. The bigger pineapple that I put in the way too big of a pot, but that's starting to take hold. So more of those peppers from my neighbors. These are Cayenne peppers, and they're not growing at all for some reason. They've been there for a few weeks. And then we got Habaneros over here. They're not moving too fast. They may need to be repotted by now, actually. So I need to go pick up some new pots and think about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Garden update. Today is the 22nd, I think, of July. Peace.